Hi guys, my name is Tabitha. Today I want to give you guys a look at these Chalkola Dot Markers. My toddler and I absolutely love these, so I want to show you some of the different ways that we enjoy using them and just show you the markers in general, show you how they work and how well they perform. So here's kind of what the packaging looks like. It tells you all about them. This is the 8 color set. So right here on the side, you can see the colors that are included and it tells you a little bit about them. They are washable and they are a quick dry. So definitely very child friendly and fun and easy to use. So let me get it opened up here. I'll show you what the markers look like. Here's how it looks inside. And you even get a little dot marker worksheet. So that is really fun that you already have some activities that you can do. There's tons of printable options online. And I even like to create my own little activities for him to do. So you've got red, purple, blue, and pink. Then brown, sparkly orange, sparkly yellow, and sparkly green. To get these working, you want to give these a good shake with the lid on just to mix up the ink. And then inside, you want to press the tip to get that ink flowing down. So you'll have to kind of wiggle it around to get it to disperse throughout the little sponge tip. So here's a look at red just starting out. You can see how quickly that becomes a beautiful concentrated dot. And then when you're done, you want to make sure that you put the lid on nice and tight and store it in a horizontal position. Here's purple, blue, pink, brown, sparkly orange, yellow, and green. So there are so many fun colors. Here is how they look all together side by side, and they are already starting to dry. It is not difficult to get them to put out ink. If anything, they're a little bit on the watery side, so you definitely do not have to press hard or it might even run. This is going to be so much fun for a load of different ages. So we absolutely love these, whether it's just to get creative or if it's for learning and just helping with fine motor skills. The little workbook that they provide allows you to create little animals so they can do all the dots, and then you can fold and pop those out and put them together. So there's lots of different things that they can do here and even learn with or just get creative. So if you guys were looking for a fun way to get your child interacting with art supplies, or if you're using it for homeschooling or learning activities, this is so much fun and my toddler certainly enjoys them and they work so great. I know you guys would love these. I would definitely give them a try.